was trying to wait for some good weather to clean my truck up so I can show y'all the outcome, but this is all I got. It's drizzling out here. But what I don't like is, you see it got the little squat going. I got to get a bigger block for the back. Rough Country said they don't know why it came up like that, a little bit bigger in the front than the back, or taller in the front than the back. So they're going to send me out a block to go by it. I mean, to put in the back of it. So, and you can see that I put the light bar on it. So I got the light bar on there and just a little walk around. All right, that's it. Just like I said, I wish I could have had some better weather, but I also didn't want to hold up the video. So all right, I'm up under my truck. What I'm doing is, if you saw my video, you noticed I said that it had a slight, I guess, dip in the back, or it was lower in the back than it was in the front. I got my new blocks from Rough Country, and I'm gonna try to go ahead and put them in there now. I got it jacked up on one side. I may have to order more U-bolts, because on the U-bolts I bought, they were sticking out too long and it said cut them off, and that was before I knew that I needed to get a bigger block. So I'm just going to try this on to see if it works, and if it works good, I'll do the other side. If not, I'll order new or longer U-bolts. The other side, I didn't cut it off quite as far, so this side here might work. So, and I cut it off a little bit shorter on this side, so that's why I'm going to test it on this side and see if it works. Alrighty. Alright, this is the block that Rough Country sent me, and this is the ones that I originally had. You can see the difference in them. And put it on top of each other so you can see it. That'll give me about 1.5 inches more lift. And it looks like I'm probably going to need some longer U-bolts, so I might not be able to do this today. finished putting the blocks in the back. Truck should sit more evenly now. I'll take a video of it in the daytime. It's dark now. I'll take a video in the daytime with it pulled out of the garage and we can see exactly how it looks.